Hello, how are you all? My name is Numan Jahangir, and by profession, I am a lawyer. I am from Lahore, Pakistan, and I am a lawyer of Lahore High Court. My WhatsApp number and my mobile number too is +92 32441 39397. You people can contact me whenever you want to, and whenever you will feel the need of any legal emergency or legal help. So in my previous video till now I have discussed the clauses 1A, B, C and F of section 4 of CRPC 1898. So today I'm gonna discuss the remaining clauses of the section 4 of Criminal Procedure Code of 1898. So let's start. Now I'm gonna read the subclause H of section 4 subsection 1. Complaint. Complaint means the allegation made orally or in writing to a magistrate with a view to his taking action under this code that some person, whether known or unknown, has committed an offence, but it does not include the report of police officer. So this clause H of section 4 subsection 1 is stating that and defining the expression of complaint, that what actually complaint is basically uh, an allegation made orally, means verbally or in writing, to a magistrate with a view to his taking action under this code, so that he would be able to take an action uh, under this code whenever a complaint is filed before him, and whether some person, whether known or non-known, has committed offense. And this would mean that whether some person who is known or unknown has committed an offense, and but is not included in the police report. According to my anticipation, it is talking about the section 200 of CRPC, which is regarding a complaint, and which does not come in the ambit of FIR, first information report. Now let's move to the next clause of this same code. It is the clause J of section 4 subsection 1. It is the definition of High Court. J clause, High Court. High Court means the highest court of criminal appeal or division for a province and the Islamabad Capital Territory. So this clause is basically defining the expression High Court in this uh, statute, in this code, that High Court is the highest court of criminal appeal, means in which criminal appeal is filed or revision for a province is or revision is filed in a province. The highest court is called the High Court, and it also includes the Capital Territory, Islamabad Capital Territory. And now next class is class K of section 4 subsection 1, which is about the inquiry. Inquiry Inquiry includes every inquiry other than a trial conducted under this code by a magistrate or court. So this clause is basically defining the meaning of inquiry under this code, that inquiry will include every inquiry which would be conducted under this trial and according to this code or statute which I am reading right now by a magistrate or court. It will be called an inquiry. So section clause I of section 4 subsection 1 is regarding the investigation. Investigation includes all the proceedings under this code for the collection of evidence conducted by a police officer or by any person other than a magistrate who is authorized by a magistrate in this behalf. So this clause I is relating to the investigation and defining the meaning of investigation under this code. It states that investigation will include all the proceedings under this code. It will include all the proceedings under this code for the collection of evidence conducted by a police officer. Means all the proceedings under this code which a police officer will conduct for the purpose of investigation and for the collection of evidence or by any person other than a magistrate, which shouldn't be and which can't be any magistrate who is or who is authorized by a magistrate in this behalf, either police officer or any person authorized by a magistrate to conduct the this investigation or collection of evidence will be called the investigation in the meaning of this clause. Clause M is relating to judicial proceeding. Judicial proceedings includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. So this is actually talking about the judicial proceeding. Judicial proceeding includes any proceeding in the course of which evidence is or may be legally taken or taken on oath. Judicial proceeding will be a proceeding basically due to in the course of which an evidence is or may be legally taken on oath. So now let's move to the next clause, which is a subclause clause of section 4 subsection 1, which is MA. Magistrate. Magistrate means a judicial magistrate and includes a special judicial magistrate appointed under section 12 and 14 of this code. Magistrate will be means a judicial magistrate, and it will also include a special judicial magistrate appointed under section 12 and 14 of this same code. Now let's move to the next. mm, let's move to the next clause, which is a clause and which is relating to non-cognizable offense and non-cognizable case. Non-cognizable offense means an offense for, and non-cognizable means a case in which a police officer may not arrest without warrant. So basically, it is defining the meaning of non-cognizable offense and non-cognizable case. Non-cognizable offense would mean that an offense in which police may not arrest without a warrant, and it will also include a case in which the police cannot arrest without a warrant. Both these things will fall into the category of non-cognizable offense and non-cognizable case. So let's move to the clause O of the section 4, subsection 1, which is relating to offense. Offense means any act or omission made punishable by any law for the time being in force. It is also it also includes any act in respect of which a complaint may be made under Section 20 of the Cattle Trespass Act 1871, first of 1871, first act of 1871. So this clause is basically defining the meaning of offense, and it is stating that offense means any act or omission made punishable by any law which can be punishable by any law time being in force, or it also includes any act in respect of which a complaint may be made under Section 20, and under Section 20 of the Cattle Trespass Act 1871. Any complaint which will be made under Section 20 of the Cattle Trespass Act 1871 will also fall in the offense category and in the definition of offense under this code. Clause P. Officer in charge of police station. Officer in charge of police station includes when the officer in charge of police station is absent from the station house or unable from illness or other cause to perform his duties. The police officer present at the station house, who is next in rank to such officer and is above the rank of constable, or when the provincial government so direct any other police officer so present. So basically, this clause is defining that who would be the officer in charge of police station. And officer in charge police station will include the officer in charge of police station includes when the officer in charge of police station is absent. Means officer in charge of police station will also include any officer in addition to the already existing officer in charge of police station who would be serving there in the absence of the officer in charge of police station, and or other cause to, or um, in the absence of in charge police station, and the absence of in charge of the police station could be due to multiple reasons. It could be due to illness, due to failure of him to perform his duties. So in his absence, any officer who is the next in rank to such officer, and who would be above the rank of a constable, or when the provincial government so direct, and when the provincial government so direct any other police officer so present, all of them could be the officer in charge of police station. Next clause is clause Q regarding the place. Place includes also a house, building, tent, and vessel. So I will end this here. The rest of the uh, sections I will read in the next video. I hope you people enjoyed my and liked my video. Let's meet in the next video. Till that time, thank you so much. Goodbye.